guys, today is part 3 of the 3D printed RC airboat. Part 1, we got the blue boat, also known as TugBoat, to actually drive on land. Part 2, we got it working on water. And for part 3, I've optimized the blend files to make it more efficient and easier to assemble, and made 2 more.
Tugboat! Lugboat!
Surprisingly, they actually felt pretty similar to assembling Legos once they were actually 3D printed. Okay. Okay, fine. Maybe besides the part where I added grease to make it more waterproof, where the little holes were for the wires. Now that we have the 2 new boats, let's go drive them. Oh, also for TugBoat right here, we are not actually going to be driving it as I don't have a 3rd remote, so we're going to be using it as spares. Let's go! Both going now. Copper, hey, stop.
Good content.
I think I have a tick in my ear.
Ooh.
Whoa.
Not good.
Oh.
Okay, how is that one the one that works?
I think it's because Copper stepped on that one.
Okay, so that first test at driving at the lake was actually pretty fun, but it turned out that 2 boats managed to tip. One boat managed to get tipped by another person ramming into it, which was kind of funny, and the second one kind of got killed by my dog. Unfortunately, it actually killed the ESC, which I have replaced with the replacement boat, or the TugBoat, and I've now taped it up so that hopefully it's a little more waterproof. Anyways, let's go back to the lake. causing a lot of drag. Okay, you're good. Full power away. Keep coming. Oh, hey, 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 hey!
He got one!
He didn't stay out of water very long. No, not that long. Now.
Go green.
You started before me!
Go! I think we're standing on speed.
That one.
No way.
How dare you?
Uh-oh.
Frankly, you hit right on. You're it. You're it.
The propeller.
Well, hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys enjoyed those clips. It was definitely really fun to film them and pretty interesting. Having multiple though did make the RC airboat a whole lot better, purely for the fact that you could do races, you can have bumper boats, and you can kind of tip them, though I wouldn't recommend it because you might ruin the electronics if you don't waterproof them. But aside from that, this airboat, micro airboat series has been great. If you guys have any other future projects, just let me know and I'd be happy to consider it. If you want to print them, there will be a link in the description. And as one extra thing, there was actually some other things that happened while we were down at the lake, aside from like the tadpoles that we found. We were literally just about to leave, and then my cousin yelled, "Moose!" And there was a moose like literally from here to that tree right there. And he just took off and jumped in the water. Well, I was already kind of in the water and just started backing away. Luckily, it seemed to be getting scared enough to walk around the lake. And then by the time I finally got the phone up, it was on the opposite side. Still pretty close, but not quite as close. It definitely got the adrenaline pumping. And actually, when it had been like 10 minutes, it finally decided to leave, and we were able to get our stuff back. That including the drone and the airboats. And then when I was flying the drone, I actually managed to find the moose again and got these really cool shots of it. While I was up here at the cabin, I also went hiking and got some pretty cool shots, and I'll include that after the moose encounter. But aside from that, thanks for watching this micro airboat series. It's been a blast doing it, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. And I'll see you later. Bye.
Oh my god.
He's still there.
That's just... He's cute.
No, I was closer than this.
Well, not this, but like when he first came up one.
I don't know. Is he not gonna leave?
He's sketch.
Gosh, bro.
I just forgot.
Okay, so I'm on my bike ride. Pink,